There have been some questions about how to actually go and bid or check the current bid on our auto auction. So I thought I would take a moment to go and show you where to go. So once you go to valleytech.us, you're going to click here where it says Auto Auction 2023. If you are on a phone, you should see like a little button up in the right hand corner with like a couple bars, right? That'll look something like this. You'll click there and open it up, and you'll still see the Auto Auction 2023. Okay. And if you click on that link, here is where you first need to get your registration filled out. You need to have a bidder number in order to place a bid. Once you have placed a bid and it's during school hours, you will receive an email giving you your unique bidder number that you will go and bid with. Then come back to this page, and then you're going to pick which vehicle you want to place a bid on. So for right now, let's just go click on the Buick Century. Once you click there, it's going to take you to this bidding page. On here, it's telling you all bids start at $500 and they must increase by $25 from the previously high bid. Here is where you're going to go to see the current highest bid. So if you click here, it's going to open up this page and it's going to show you currently right now there is no one bidding on this particular one. All right, I'm going to exit out and I'm going to go back. Here's where I can go see the YouTube video about it if I haven't already done so. It's telling you what the mileage is. I'm probably going to be adding some more information, probably from when you see this video till now, and some photos. You scroll down some more. Here's where you're going to enter your official bidder number, and then you're going to put how much you would like to bid, and then click submit. And then once you go back to verify that it really all did go through, just click highest bid to date, and you should once again see your bid appearing here. If there's any other questions, please don't hesitate to email me and I will help you out. Okay? Thank you so much. Good luck.